Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Princess Bravo here if you are new, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys an easy way to achieve French tips at home. And I've already prepped my nails off camera, and if you want to know how I easily do that at home, I will link a video down here in the DB for you guys. So the first thing you want to do is to grab yourself some tape, which we are going to use. I'll show you guys in just a few seconds. So you're also going to need your nail polishes. These are the ones I'm going to be using. So to apply my tips, this is the nail polish I'm gonna be using. It's kind of old, but it will still work. So you're also going to need your top coat. So this is how my nails are looking, and that black color you're seeing on my nails is the henna. So the next thing that I'm going to do is wrap the tape around my fingers like so. So you want to leave a small space to where you're going to be applying the white nail polish, which is going to be your French tips. So once we have the tape around our nails like so, we are going to now start applying our nail polish. And of course, you want to make sure that you've left enough space to where you're going to apply your nail polish, which is going to act as your French tips. And of course, since we have the tape around our nails like that, the tape is really going to help so that you don't apply the rest of your nail polish to the whole of your nail, if you know what I mean. So you want to apply that, and of course you don't need to worry about smudging the nail polish. Of course you have your tape, and if you make any mistakes on the sides of your nail, of course you can easily clean that. So I'm going to apply that all over my nails, leave that to dry, and then I will later on apply a top coat, the clear top coat, to finish everything off. So once you are done applying the tips, you want to gently and slowly remove the tape around your nails like so. And you want to be careful about it because the nails are still wet. They're not yet dry. So you need to be very, very careful so that you don't ruin your nails. So once the tip is off, you can see how gorgeous the nails are looking. The French tips are looking so nice. So the only thing that is left is to clean off the sides of my nails and then apply a top coat to finish everything off. So this is the finished look. I really love how these nails turned out so beautiful and neat compared to the freehand. I will leave a video where I did French tips using my freehand here in the DB for you guys, but I really love how these turned out. I think this one is much easier and way faster to do, especially if you're in a hurry. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, also leave a comment down below and let me know any other nails that you like me to do here on this YouTube channel, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already to join the family. And for all of you who have subscribed, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to be kind and love one another. Peace.